Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to the series that showcases all the cool mods done by talented individuals from all over the internet. This is Mod Showdown. I really wanted to do a full episode of submissions for you guys. Unfortunately, I haven't received all that many, but let's get to it anyways. Firstly, we have this Xbox covered in truck bed coating. Personally, it's the first time I've seen this, and it gives the Xbox a nice new look without going over the top, keeping it simple with the green ports and the faint glow from an 80mm fan upgrade. Another green themed Xbox with the massive front window. I like how the plexiglass is just slightly frosted. It just gives it a little something extra. Also digging the controller that matches the innards. Maybe a little bit more white accents on the box itself would help it match the controller just a little bit better. This is the last of the submissions. He reached out to me after seeing his white slim in another episode. You can actually see it in the picture on the right. It's confusing that it has a DVD playback kit in the port when the IRI I assumed was integrated in, but this isn't about that Xbox. As you can see, he made a custom designed laser cut case for his media center machine. It's extremely refined, but I'm guessing it probably isn't used to play Xbox games anymore. Here's a slimmed slim. I like how the fins were shaved off, and I think the top indentation where the Xbox jewel is has been filled in. I would be interested in seeing a little bit more of this. I'm guessing the whole top and the front bezel are all one piece, but it's hard to tell from this dark picture. This one is tough to look at. Sorry, it's the only picture of it. You gotta love the unique DVD window cut, which I'm sure takes inspiration from Transformers by the look of that custom jewel. A paint job and a clear jewel. I do wonder if the maple leaf is vinyl rather than actually painted on. Painting that sharp is no easy task. Another dark picture. The box itself is dark green. Also dig the orange jewel. You don't typically see mods in colors other than red or blue. Is it me? Or do those controller port numbers look like they're glowing red? I do really like these full cuts. Another thing is to do it so cleanly, he didn't even need to paint. The mixture of blue and red LEDs on the jewel I'm sure looks way cool in person. I'm seeing an LCD up front and 2 USB ports. The clock box. Very interesting, nice and clean. Solves the problem of wanting to know what time it is. I believe the clock itself is powered by a battery when the box isn't on, though I could be wrong. Maybe X-Man can fill us in sometime. Lastly, the slimmest slim, while keeping the original case. Now, all the mods are listed in the pictures, and there are a lot of them, most notably the CPU upgrade. He is one of the few people that have done that mod, and it's definitely hardcore. This creation is far from polished. I wonder if it's still together today. Thanks for watching. If you have any of your own mods that you would like to share, be sure to email them to me at TechnoOnTop@AOL.com. Any console, so don't be shy. If you need some help creating your own dream console, be sure to check out my channel. I have tons of tutorials on multiple systems. And until next time, peace.